In this video, I will be demonstrating this minimalist wire-wrapped donut pendant. This is a quick and simple design ideal for when you need multiple items for a craft market. The measurements in this video are for mini donut-shaped stones that are a similar size to this one. My base wires are 20 gauge soft copper wire. Find the center point of the wires and bend to approximately 45 degrees. Ensure that both wires are bent to the same angle. I am weaving with 30 gauge wire. You can use a slightly thicker weaving wire if you prefer. Find the middle of your weaving wire. Start wrapping around both wires from the bend. Take one half of the weaving wire and wrap 6 times around both wires. Flip the wires around and use the other half of the weaving wire to wrap 6 times around both wires. You could make the design even more simple by just continuing to wrap the wires together, but I will be adding some weaving for interest. I am wrapping 6 times around just the lower wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Now repeat this pattern. Mirror the pattern on the other side. This time I wrap 6 times around the upper wire and then twice around both wires. Continue weaving both sides up to where the wires will come into contact with the sides of the stone. Finish weaving with the 2 wraps on both wires and bring the weaving wire between the 2 base wires. Measure the distance from the hole to the edge of the stone. I am using the setting on my bail making pliers that is slightly bigger than my measurement. If your donut is bigger, just find something round that is the right size. Slightly separate the unwoven wires. Bend the wires inwards around the pliers or whatever you are using. When the donut is in position, the inside of the loops should sit just inside the edge of the hole. Wrap the weaving wire around just the front wires. I have wrapped both front wires up to where the loops are over the hole. Position the stone. Thread the weaving wire through the donut hole. Wrap the weaving wire around the loop underneath and back up through the hole. Hold both the top and bottom loops tight against the stone and pull the weaving wire taut. Repeat this process at least 3 times to make sure that the connection is secure. Finish by wrapping the weaving wire 10 times around the top wire. Repeat the process with the top and bottom wires on the other side. Remove the excess weaving wires. Trim the wires to the same length, approximately level with the top of the stone. Bend the cut ends into small loops. Ensure that the cut ends are pushed well down and can't be felt. All that's left now is to add a jump ring for the chain. Thank you for viewing. Please join me for my next video.